how much should you actually spend on a fuel injector cleaner? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Royal Purple Fuel Injector Cleaner. The Royal Purple 18,000 Fuel Injector Cleaner. Priced at just $648, it caught my attention with its promise to restore fuel economy while maximizing horsepower. If you want to improve your engine's performance, this is worth a serious look. This cleaner is designed to restore fuel economy and stabilize ethanol, which is crucial, especially if you live in an area with varying fuel quality. It claims to enhance horsepower and improve responsiveness in both gasoline and diesel engines. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Better fuel economy means more miles per gallon, and who doesn't want to save money at the pump? Now, some people complained about it being a bit less effective than other brands for severe clogs. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for routine maintenance rather than a serious overhaul, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option for regular maintenance. Skip this one if you're dealing with heavy deposits, as you might need something stronger. Now, if the Royal Purple's effectiveness on severe clogs worried you, this next option takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, BG44K Platinum New. We have the BG44K Platinum New. While the price isn't listed, it's popular among car enthusiasts, and I've seen it fly off the shelves. If you're looking for a strong performance boost, this one's definitely worth considering. This cleaner tackles the issue of deposit buildup that can occur due to inconsistent gasoline quality. It aims to restore fuel economy and improve drivability by cleaning up those deposits that hinder engine performance. This is particularly important for small, high-output engines that can suffer from reduced power and increased emissions. Here's why this matters for you. Better fuel flow means your engine runs smoother and lasts longer. However, some users mention that it's not the best for preventative maintenance, as it's designed more for reactive cleaning. But if your engine is already struggling, this could be your ticket back to optimal performance. This is perfect for you if you've noticed a significant decline in engine performance. Skip it if you're just looking for routine maintenance, as it might be overkill. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for DIY enthusiasts.
Product number 3, ThickPo Fuel Injector Cleaner Toolkit. The ThickPo Universal Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner Toolkit is next. The first thing that stood out to me was the versatility of this kit, which can operate 2 injectors at once. If you're into DIY repairs, this is definitely worth a look. This toolkit is perfect for diagnosing fuel delivery problems like blockages or leaks. It operates on petrol vehicles with electronic fuel injection, so if you like to get hands-on with your car maintenance, this can save you a trip to the mechanic. With 8 different pulse modes, the kit allows you to customize your cleaning process, which can be crucial depending on how clogged your injectors are. Here's why this matters. Having control over how you clean your injectors means you can better address specific issues. Now, some people found the setup instructions a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the level of control you get makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you enjoy working on your car and want a tool that gives you flexibility. Skip this one if you prefer a simple, no-fuss solution without dealing with equipment. Next up, if you liked the idea of a DIY tool but want something slightly different, check out this next option.
Product number 4, ThickPo Dual Channel Fuel Injector Cleaner Kit. Kit from ThickPo, but this one is the Universal Fuel Injector Tester Cleaner Toolkit, priced at $26.99. What really grabbed my attention is its dual channel capability, allowing you to test 2 injectors simultaneously. If you want efficiency in your cleaning routine, check this one out. Similar to the previous kit, this one helps diagnose issues like blockage and leakage and has 8 pulse modes to customize the cleaning process. The dual channel means you can save time if you're working on multiple injectors. This matters for you specifically because it speeds up the whole cleaning process, saving you valuable time. However, some users mention that the power cord could be a bit short for larger vehicles. Here's the thing though, you can easily use extension cords to make it work, so it's not a major drawback. This is perfect for you if you work on multiple vehicles or just want to save time. Skip this if you only work on 1 injector at a time, as it might be more than you need. Now, if you want an even more budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, let's check out the next product.
Product number 5, Re Fuel Injector Cleaner Toolkit. We have the Re Fuel Injector Cleaner Toolkit for $21.99. It's the most affordable option on the list, and what caught my eye was its inclusion of 6 cleaning adapters.
If you're on a budget but still want effective cleaning, this is a great choice. This kit offers a variety of adapters designed for multiple injector types, making it a universal fit for most vehicles. The 8 pulse modes in dual channel testing allows for cleaning 2 injectors at once, which is a fantastic time saver. Here's why this matters for you. Flexibility in adapter sizes means you can tackle a wider range of vehicles without needing multiple tools. That said, some users noted that the instructions could be clearer, but honestly, with a bit of trial and error, most find it straightforward to operate. This is perfect for you if you want a cost-effective solution for injector cleaning. Skip this if you need something with more advanced features, as this is more geared towards basic cleaning tasks. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 fuel injector cleaners.
So, we've covered 5 great options for fuel injector cleaners. The Royal Purple offers budget-friendly maintenance, BG44K is perfect for performance issues, and thick post kits are excellent for DIY enthusiasts. Finally, Yuanri gives you a solid budget choice. Each has its strengths, so pick one that fits your needs.